What's going on, guys? So we're going to take a little look at Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. So with that being said, it's down 3% today, a big whopping 39 cents. Guys, if this is most of your concerns today, because the stock, now don't get me wrong, obviously if you're in the stock from a much higher price point, 20s, 30s, I understand and feel the pain. But what I'm talking about is just from an intraday level, like just looking at it today, down 30 cents on the day, not too much. I mean, right now we got the NASDAQ 100 absolutely on fire. Triple Q's down to $312 on the ETF. The futures down 700. Tesla was down $121. Microsoft was down $10. Plus after hours, even on the earnings beat. Stocks like Square, Apple, so forth and so forth, right? So there's a lot of pain in the overall markets. It's not just a small cap. It's not just Hood. Hood closed at $10 today. Let's kind of get a game plan. As we know, we do have earnings coming up here. What's going to happen? Looks like they're selling off good earnings. Tesla earnings were sold. Microsoft earnings were sold. Google earnings were sold. So if we can expect some type of rally, some type of bounce here, what needs to happen? So what needs to happen is if you can see this 1, 2, 3 triple bottom that we have here, and now quadruple bottom where we're actually down here yet again around this $9.85, $10 area, this level's got to hold, right? This level absolutely has to stand. If this level starts to become breached this week and is breached on earnings, there is a lot more room down. Potentially the lower channel of this, you can see these blue lines here. These are all linear regression channel 50s. You potentially have max potential down to $3.75. Now, before anyone starts in the comment section that this stock is not going to $3, I'm not saying that it's going to $3. What I'm saying is that we are trading in the middle of a channel, and anytime you are in the middle of a channel between a supply and a demand zone, it's never a good thing when we're going through distribution in the middle, but towards the bottom end of this channel. If this channel is breached, there is more room down. As far as support, where are we going to find it? There is none, right? So pretty much Hood is free falling. If you are looking to just grab shares right now just because the stock is low, please, I would advise against it, especially on these higher growth speculation name stocks. If you are going to start buying the dip and dollar cost averaging on a lot of these other names, you want to look for the good value, cash producing, old school, mega cap, old school value companies that are going to be around for a long time, right? That are already cash flow positive. So what I'm trying to say is that if we do start to lose $9.85, we do have room to drift down to the lower Bollinger Band. I could see it touching 9. That would be the next stop. From there, we need to see what happens on earnings. Definitely stay away from that. If you guys are playing the earnings, I know a lot of you newer traders, like 2020 traders and beyond, you guys love to play these lottery tickets. But, as you're kind of learning here, they're very hit or miss. And with that, a lot of the stocks that were traded and heavily favored in 2020 are all absolutely destroyed. So I don't care what YouTuber you're listening to, what person on Twitter, what person on StockTwits that you're listening to. If you are trading anything pretty much from 2020, you are absolutely destroyed, especially on high speculation and small market cap stocks. Definitely be careful here. If we want Hood to kind of turn around and, you're kind of asking yourself, well, what would be a good potential buy? We want to see it clear out the levels of supply, 5, 10, 20, 50-day moving average. Definitely, we are not looking to go long underneath the 50-day moving average. It's just a rule of thumb for investors. No investors are going long or starting positions long under the 50-day moving average. We need to reclaim the 50-day moving average, and then from there, we have room to stretch to around 13 and around 1486. Guys, I don't know what to say, but the market is an absolute shambles right now. So definitely stay patient. If you guys are holding some long positions, I feel your pain and understand where you guys are coming from. Now is not the time to just, go crazy. You got to have to sit patient, especially if you're a longer term investor. If you're a day trader or a swinger, or a day trader or a scalper, you have to love the volatility. You have to love the volatility because we can trade both sides of the market, guys. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade options or stocks both ways, up, down, sideways, doesn't matter. You guys are looking to trade 1 or 2 hours of the day, check the first link in my description. I go over one of my strategies showing you guys how to trade the first 1 to 2 hours of the market each and every single day. Definitely also join the Discord. That link is in the description box below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.